We found traces of a certain tox, commonly found in very low-priced bottles.
Well, she was sending
That's probably what they're expecting, not too much.